अब तो मैंने फाइनल राउंड दे दिया इंटरव्यू का, अब तो क्या ही रिजेक्ट करेंगे रिक्रूटर। इट वाज माय फोर्थ स्टेज और समथिंग। अब तो मेरा सिलेक्शन हो ही गया, अब तो ये मेरी नौकरी है, अब तो सब पक्का है गाइस। No, this is not the right thing to imagine about, because my friend interview is the stage जो सबसे important होती है। इससे पहले जितनी भी stages होती हैं, resume, aptitude, इन सब में the interview has not seen you. He is just seeing you through your test, through your resume and everything. This is the time he is gonna check you, gonna have a conversation with you and get to know about you. तो इसके लिए you can't go unprepared, because my friend, let's come to the real talk. 70% of the candidates को after the interview ghost कर दिया जाता है because they are not selected. And the reason is not कि वो smart नहीं थे या वो qualified नहीं थे. It was because वो unprepared गए थे. They were not ready for the interview and they did not even know कि उनको ये questions already prepare करने चाहिए थे या ये चीजें उन्हें already before the interview एक बार check करनी चाहिए थी. So yes, if you are planning to give any interviews in the corporate for any of the big firms like Big Four, TCS, McKinsey, Bain & Co, etc., this video is literally for you. Be it you are a fresher, be it you are switching the job for the first years of your professional life, etc. These 5 points will help you sail your interview and be confident while having your interview. So now let's go to the points. The first point, that is mindset. You would be thinking ये suddenly mindset वाली बात क्या हो रही है, हम तो यहाँ पे real technical stuff वाली बात कर रहे थे ना. Then but यहाँ पे mindset भी उतना ही important है, because mindset will help you to seal the interview with your confidence, with your personality, with your answers. ठीक है. And just imagine ना, हर इंटरव्यू से पहले हमारे दिमाग में इतने क्वेश्चंस चल रहे होते हैं. What if I am not good enough? What if I stutter? अगर मैं ब्लैंक हो गई तो क्या होगा, या मैंने मेसअप कर दिया तो क्या होगा. इतने सारे क्वेश्चन, इतने सारे सेल्फ डाउट्स. बट कैन आई जस्ट टेल यू वन थिंग, यू आर कैपेबल. ठीक है. इट्स नॉट लाइक यू वर नॉट गुड इनफ, यू वर गुड इनफ, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर सिटिंग देयर इन द इंटरव्यू. आपने इतना स्टेजेस क्लियर करके आए हो, सो यू आर कैपेबल. द इंटरव्यूअर हैज चूजन यू टू बी देयर. एंड इफ यू थिंक कि यार इंटरव्यूअर पॉइंट तो नहीं ढूंढ लेगा मेरे को रिजेक्ट करने के लिए, नो, इंटरव्यूअर आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर द पॉइंट्स टू रिजेक्ट यू. They are looking for the points through which they can select you. वो भी चाहते हैं कि आप select हो जाओ. उनको अपनी सीट भरनी है, उनको अपनी job vacancy fulfill करनी है. So they are also expecting कि maybe you are the right candidate for their job profile. So yes, don't be nervous, don't underestimate yourself. Be yourself and just have a belief for yourself कि yes, you are the one and you can crack it. Trust the process, trust yourself, and just go with the interview. Here comes the second point, that is well research about the company you are giving interview for. So yes, before giving the interviews, हम ना बस ऊपर से देख लेते हैं एक दो लाइनर्स के आंसर कि okay, this company is about this. But this is not enough, because in an interview, an interviewer might ask, why do you want to join our company? And many candidates reply with saying that the opportunities are very good in this company and the salary perks are amazing. But these are just the variable stuff. You are not here showing your real intent to join the company. And here the interviewer wants to check your intent only. So here what you can do, you have to, have a well knowledge about the company you are applying. Go through their websites, go through their portals to know about the purpose, about the culture, and any kind of projects the company is handling. You can also check any news articles which are the latest regarding that company's projects and developments, etc. This will show your real intent, that you are really interested only on that company, not on the variable stuff. So, well prepare before the interview. It will just take you 30 to 40 minutes to go through that, but it will save you a lot of questions. Questions like, why you want to join this company? Why not any other company? And what do you know about our company? What do you know about the domain you are applying for, etc. So here come the third point, that is prepare in advance for some common questions. Now, before me jumping to the common questions and telling you immediately about them, I just want to first convey one thing. If you are somebody who is very nervous while having a conversation, they are very scared if their English is not good or their fluency is can be a problem for them, So that's totally okay. Everybody has their problems. Not everybody is good with fluency in English, and it's not always the major factor in all the interviews. Apart from the conversation or apart from the fluency, they also check your clarity of thoughts. So if not one side, you can definitely score the other side with your preparation in advance for that interview. Okay, so now if me coming to those common questions, first it would be introduce yourself. Here you don't have to prepare a basic line that I am Radhika or I am this person, I've graduated, my hobbies are this, and I like this, I like that. No, because here again, this is the first impression is the last impression वाली चीज. तो यहाँ पे आप जो भी बोलोगे आपका पूरा इंटरव्यू उसी के बेसिस पे सर्कल होगा. So you have to introduce yourself if you are, a college student about to graduate, or if you're even applying for internship. तो आपको ऐसे बताना होगा कि I am this person and I have this qualification and I have this past experience. It can be job experience you can highlight. It can be internship experience you can highlight. And then you have to, and again, if you are a college person, तो आप societies की अपनी position of responsibilities भी बता सकते हो उसके बाद में. And lastly, you can conclude with what kind of person you are or what kind of skills you pertain. This should be the sequence of your introduction. Now comes the second question, that is strengths. They might ask you कि आप बताओ आपकी strengths क्या है. तो यहाँ पे आपको एकदम मतलब ऐसा ही नहीं बताना है कि जो आप कोई नहीं, ठीक है. बिफोर द इंटरव्यू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट योरसेल्फ कि आप में कौन सी स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं, एंड बैक दैट अप विद द रियल एग्जांपल्स. बिकॉज हु नोज, इंटरव्यू माइट आस्क यू कि अच्छा आपने बोला आपकी ये स्ट्रेंथ है, आपने किस सिचुएशन में शो करी है. तो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर एडवांस फॉर दैट. हियर कम्स द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, दैट इज स्ट्रेंथ्स पूछ ली, अब वीकनेसेस भी पूछेंगे. तो वो आपसे ये पूछ सकते हैं अपनी वीकनेसेस बताओ. अब आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि आई एम वे टू परफेक्शनिस्ट, मतलब आई एम वेरी परफेक्शनिस्ट. नो, डेफिनेटली नॉट. आपको यहाँ पे अपनी तारीफ नहीं करनी है, उनको जेन्युइनली जानना है कि आपकी वीकनेसेस क्या है. ठीक है, तो एक बार हैव अ टाइम टू चेक कि ओके कौन सी वीकनेसेस है आपकी. ठीक है, उनको वो बताओ. बट अगेन जस्ट डोंट कंक्लूड विद योर वीकनेस, बिकॉज उसके साथ आपको एक लाइन बाय डिफॉल्ट अटैच करनी है, दैट इज यू आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट वीकनेस और हाउ यू आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट वीकनेस. सो सपोज इफ आई एम सेइंग दैट आई हैव वन प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ओवर थिंकिंग और समथिंग रिलेटेड टू दैट, एंड देन आई हैव टू कोट इन द नेक्स्ट सेकेंड लाइन दैट आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दिस by dash doing this. Okay, you can just quote any of the things which you are doing, or for improving that weakness, because उनको ये भी जानना है आपकी weakness क्या है, but उनको ये भी देखना है कि as a person are you really trying to overcome that weakness. So yes, now the fourth question which they can ask you, why should we hire you? हाँ भाई, उनके पास 50 कैंडिडेट्स एप्लीकेंट्स हैं, तो आप ही क्यों. तो आपको वहां पे वो बताना है कि आपकी स्किल्स या आपका कोई एक्सपीरियंस जो अलाइन करता है उनके जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन से, या व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन दे आर लुकिंग फॉर. अब जो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आई एम गोना टेल यू ना, इट माइट हेल्प यू डेफिनेटली टू कवर दिस पॉइंट अप. Here comes the fourth point, that is read your job description well. So yes, before going to the interview, सबसे पहले आपने अगर अपना job description ही नहीं पढ़ा है and you are going to the interview, आपको यही नहीं पता कि आपने जिस position के लिए apply किया है उसकी responsibilities क्या है, this is a big red flag. And if I come to my second point, यार JD is something कि वो एक direct cheat sheet है जो कंपनी आपको दे रहा है, covering 3 points कि उन्हें क्या qualification चाहिए उन person में, उनके candidates में, या क्या responsibilities होगी उस position की, या फिर क्या skills चाहिए उन्हें उस person में for that perfect, like for that position itself. So yes, using all these 3 points, you can frame your answers, you can use the keywords, and you can have your tech base set for the interview. So these 3 points are important before going to the interview, and for that you have to read your JD well. Here comes the fifth point, that is know your resume. And this is my personal favorite, and I'm telling you this from my personal experience, both from the recruiter end and from the side where I had given interviews related to my internships, for my Deloitte placement, and for other campus placement opportunities as well. And now you would be thinking कि हमने already screening में तो हमारा resume दे दिया है और वो select हो चुका है, अब क्यों पढ़ना है? Because here there where we miss the point, because resume is your storytelling, and अगर वो इसके related नहीं पूछेंगे interview में, how would they get to know you? And just to add, this resume is yours, so you should be the best person in the room telling about that. And they might ask you in the interview to walk them down through your resume, or they might ask you about any particular point and to elaborate about that. ठीक है? So you have to be well prepared. आपको अपने resume को अच्छे से देखना पड़ेगा, आपने क्या डाला है, क्यों डाला है, what was the reasoning behind that. And अगर if in this situation you were the person जिसने अपने resume में सिर्फ numbers add करने के लिए चीजें डाली थी या सिर्फ blanks को fill करने के लिए चीजें डाली थी, you are gonna get caught. या वो दिखेगा इंटरव्यूअर को कि ये आपने सिर्फ ऐसे ही भरा है, आपके पास ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, आपके पास ऐसी कोई स्किल नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग, आपके रिज्यूमे में वही होना चाहिए जो आपने किया है. लाइक एज आई से, बी ट्रू टू योरसेल्फ. ठीक है, बी ऑनेस्ट. सेकंड, यू शुड नो आपने वो क्यों लिखा है या उसका कंटेक्स्ट क्या था. ठीक है, तो अगर रिक्रूटर आपसे कुछ भी पूछेगा रिज्यूमे के टाइम पे, यू शुड नॉट हेजिटेट. Alright, so with this, I'm ending with all my 5 points here, which I'll suggest you to walk down through before going to your interview. And I wish you best of luck for all your upcoming interviews. And if you found this video helpful, please drop a like and also subscribe. And because many more such unfiltered and raw videos are gonna come in the future, and I'm already planning a part 2 from a recruiter perspective, what they say in the interview to get you shortlisted, or on what basis they select you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.